huge concern with AI is that it is labeled as quote unquote intelligence.
Mm.
AI is really pattern recognition and prediction. Because it's called intelligence and we as humans believe that we're the only ones with intelligence, it feels like our brains are going to be replaced by another brain. A lot of folks are fearful for their jobs because it feels like someone is going to come in and say, your job is no longer appropriate because we've now implemented AI that can do your job. Less of that's going to happen. People should be embracing AI so that they can make themselves as skilled as possible and retain their job.
Remember back then people had strikes. It's like they're taking jobs away without realizing that there is a way of evolving and learning how to manage those machines back in the day. And it's the same thing now. Instead of taking it as a loss of work, it's more of, okay, how do I implement this and how do I use this to my advantage in terms of the whole concept of technology and AI?
Yeah, that's right. And even in the machine age, there was a time when more manufacturers were creating more machines such that you needed more people to manage the machines. The difference here is that the thought processes that we have, the pattern recognition is going to replace a lot of the things that people can do. Think about this as the next step. And part of the challenge is folks see it as a replacement when in fact it can very much be an augmentation. Imagine if you could go to work and do your job in half the time, but be doubly productive. Imagine you're sitting in your driverless car, working on, you're almost halfway done with your job by the time lunch comes around. It'd be incredible. And your work is even better because it's augmented by these thought processes.